In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your name on Indeed. Whether you've recently changed your legal name, want to update how your name appears to employers, or just noticed a typo on your account, keeping your information accurate is really important. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along, even if you're not very familiar with the platform. First, you'll need to sign in to your Indeed account. Open your web browser and go to the Indeed website, then look for the sign in option, usually at the top right of the page. Click it and you'll be asked for your login details. Enter your email and password, then select the button to sign in. If you're already signed in, you can skip this part, but it's still good to double check that you're using the correct account, especially if you've created more than one over time. Once you're signed in, the next step is to open your profile or account settings. On the top of the page, you should see your profile icon or your initials. Click that and a small menu will appear. From there, look for an option labeled Profile, My Profile, or Account Settings. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on updates to the site, but you're basically looking for the place where your personal information is stored. Go ahead and click that to open your main profile page or account details. Now that you're in your profile or account settings, it's time to edit your name. On this page, you should see your current name displayed, usually near the top, alongside other personal information. Look for an edit link or an icon, often shaped like a pencil, next to your name. Click that, and the name fields will become editable. Carefully type in your new first and last name, exactly the way you want it to appear to employers. This is a good moment to double check spelling, capitalization, and any special characters in your name. Remember, this is often the first thing recruiters and hiring managers see, so you want it to be accurate and professional. If your name change is official, make sure it matches your resume and any documents you'll be attaching to job applications. Once you've entered your updated name, the last step is to save the changes. Look for a button that says Save Changes, or something similar, and click it. After you do that, the page should refresh or update, and you'll see your new name displayed on your profile. If it doesn't change right away, try refreshing the page manually to confirm that the update went through. It's a good idea to quickly review your profile after this, just to make sure everything looks correct and consistent. Check that your resume, headline, and any other visible information still match your new name. That's all it takes. You've successfully changed your name on Indeed, and your profile is now up to date for future job applications.